Want that flawless, dewy, and luminous glass skin that seems to glow from within? Achieving Korean glass skin isn't about quick fixes, it's about a consistent routine that nourishes, hydrates, and transforms your skin. Today, I'll show you a complete, no-nonsense routine with remedies that truly work for all skin types. Let's get into it. Step 1. Cleanse. Step 1 is cleansing, not once, but twice. This double cleansing technique is key for clear, smooth skin. 1. Oil cleanser. Start with an oil cleanser to melt away makeup, sunscreen, and impurities. If you don't have one, you can use coconut or olive oil as a natural alternative. Massage it in for about 60 seconds and rinse off. This first step preps your skin beautifully. 2. Water cleanser. Follow up with a gentle, sulfate-free water-based cleanser. This removes any remaining dirt or oil without stripping moisture. Look for a pH-balanced cleanser to keep your skin barrier strong. Step 2. Exfoliate. Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells, giving you that fresh, smooth look. But go gentle, harsh scrubs can irritate and damage your skin. Twice a week, use a mild exfoliator with AHAs or BHAs. These natural acids break down dead skin cells without harsh rubbing. If you prefer something homemade, mix a bit of rice flour with yogurt, apply it, and gently massage for a minute. Rinse off to reveal instantly smoother skin. Step 3. Hydrate deeply with toner. Hydration is the secret sauce to glass skin. Toners and essences add a layer of moisture that makes all the difference. 1. Hydrating toner. Opt for a toner with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, green tea, or rose water. Gently pat it onto your skin, no rubbing. This prepares your skin for deeper hydration. If you like DIY options, try pure rose water or green tea as a toner. 2. Essence. An essence is lightweight but super hydrating. Look for ingredients like snail mucin or fermented extracts for that extra glow. Pat it on gently and let it absorb fully. This step helps achieve that plump, radiant look. Step 4. Serum. Serums are where you address specific skin needs. They're packed with active ingredients to boost your glow. Vitamin C serums are great for brightening, while niacinamide helps with pore refinement and oil control. For hydration, hyaluronic acid works wonders. Use 2 to 3 drops and press it into the skin. Avoid layering too many serums, keep it simple for the best results. Step 5. Moisturizer. Moisturizer is your skin's protective shield, sealing in all the hydration from previous steps. Choose a lightweight gel cream if you have oily skin, or a richer cream if you have dry skin. Ingredients like ceramides, glycerin, and squalane are great for hydration without clogging pores. Apply a small amount and massage it in to enhance blood flow and absorption. Step 6. Sleep mask. Apply a thin layer of a hydrating sleep mask before bed. It seals everything in and helps your skin retain moisture while you sleep. Look for masks with calming ingredients like Centella asiatica or green tea. Sun damage can ruin all your hard work, so apply a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher every morning. This not only protects your skin but also keeps it looking youthful and radiant. Step 7. Bonus tips. Face massage. Use your fingertips to give yourself a 5-minute lymphatic drainage massage. This reduces puffiness and enhances blood circulation, giving your skin a natural, radiant glow. Hydrating mists. Throughout the day, spritz on a hydrating mist to refresh and hydrate your skin. Look for mists with cucumber or aloe vera for a soothing effect. Healthy diet. Hydrate from the inside out by drinking enough water and eating a diet rich in antioxidants, think berries, leafy greens, and nuts. Achieving Korean glass skin is all about consistency, patience, and nurturing your skin with layers of hydration. Remember, skincare is a journey, not a race. Stick to this routine, and you'll be glowing in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which step you're excited to try.